Assalamualaikum everyone.
Welcome back to another video.
New day, new adventure.
Yeah, the sun is out, we are out, and we're on our way to the first setup. This is going to be a very different setup and you guys will love it. And so we're on our way now. It's going to take us about an hour. This booking is in Barking, so not very local, but yeah, we're very happy with the setup. It's really different, so I'll show you guys. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm
Let's go then.
excited.
Hi guys, we're at the venue now. We're going to start setting up. This venue is absolutely beautiful, but we're not setting up inside. We're going to be setting up outside, but we're going to make the balloons indoors because it's raining right now. So yeah, let's get started, guys.
We're just gonna set it up. At the moment, I think the setup is outside, but I think they still need to clear up some stuff. They had a little function yesterday, so everything is quite in the same. If you can see.
It's such a beautiful restaurant.
Yeah, it is.
Restaurant venue.
Type
Type of venue.
So yeah. So what we are thinking, we're just gonna make the balloons here,
Yeah, we're going to use
and just save some time. So until everything is sorted out outside, then we're gonna take you outside and do our magic.
Hi guys, so we started setting up outside. We had to change the location because one, it was windy, and one, it was raining too much. So he went behind the baby marquee letters to put the wires on so it can start working. Meanwhile, I bought the balloons and it was so windy, the balloons were just flying away. Then we realized there was no plug behind the letters, so we had to literally go plug hunting. So that's me gone to see where the plugs are, and then he comes to join me. So yeah, we were finding the plugs and we found them, and we put the extension on right behind the plants so it would not be a hazard. So yeah, they started flickering, so now he's on his phone to reconnect them because they're connected with Wi-Fi and they change colours as well. So he did that, and then we started attaching the balloons to both sides. As you can see, look how windy it is. So then we repositioned the letters because there was no space, literally, because now we're setting up inside, underneath the shade and not outside. Outside we had a lot of space. So yeah, we attached the top and we were trying to secure it as much as we can so the wind wouldn't blow the balloons away. Yeah, so as you can see, the bee started flickering again, so that was a problem. So we attached the balloons, we attached more clusters to make it look more full. I need more So guys, over here we were attaching the small clusters of balloons, and we were attaching the big 16-inch and 36-inch balloons to make the display look more full. So as we were attaching it, it was so windy, the balloons started blowing away. We were trying to be as quick as we can to get the display done. Hi guys, welcome back. As you could see, the setup was really good. It was so cold today. I felt cold. Did you feel cold?
Yeah.
I felt so cold, guys. And it was raining as well, and the client wanted us to set up outside, and we were very reluctant.
Confused what was going on.
Yeah, they weren't really sure. And then when we put it underneath the shade, then we couldn't find a plug. So then we went on a plug hunt. So when we found the plug, we then put the lights on and then put the balloons around. So at the moment it's 1 o'clock. We're half an hour up than what we thought, because we wanted to be coming back at 12:30. But yeah, so half an hour above the time that we wanted. So yeah, let's see. We're still going to be late, right? We're still going to be on time, so no worries. But yeah, so that was the setup, guys, and now time to go home and prepare for the next booking and the other bookings for tomorrow. See you later, guys. Alright guys, I'm home now, so I have to paint this backdrop, and this is going to be pink, so let's go. So I'm done with the painting, and now on to lunch. Let's go.
Guys, we're gonna end the vlog here. I hope you like, share and comment, and we will see you next time.
Allah Hafiz.